Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Thunderstorms have broken out over inland Queensland, some of them severe. But for the most part, it's been a trouble-free summer's day for eastern districts. The days ahead will be warm and humid with a rising likelihood of storms, especially in the tropics. Top temperature in Toowoomba today was 28 degrees, can't complain about that, and the overnight low was 18. All about average. In Warwick, the mercury rose to 31, with Dalby reaching 34, and Oakey had 37 millimetres of rain from yesterday's storms. On the satellite loop now, the band of thunderstorms that broke out this afternoon look pretty self-evident, covering that whole broad area from the Carnarvon Ranges through the Darling Downs. The Southern Downs had severe storms this afternoon. They since progressed east into the scenic rim country and encroaching upon the Sunshine Coast. They'll eventually fizzle out, but they will redevelop again tomorrow. Also in the tropics, we've started to see an increase in showers, though you can't see them as well because the low-lying cloud doesn't show up so well on these infrared pictures. Now on today's chart, the inland trough is positioned near western Queensland. It's a semi-stationary feature. You can see a very limp pressure pattern, so light winds and the perception of humidity. This tropical low is continuing to draw moisture into Queensland. The monsoon trough is gone, but we still have that tropical humidity. On tomorrow's chart, very little change on the surface. Notice again, just one isobar along the coast. So generally light winds, a bit of an increase in trade winds in the tropics. On the outlook chart, by this stage, we've got 15 to 20 knots of southeasterlies in the tropics, but an increase in storms otherwise. Now the latest from the BOM, the Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast. We've got the chance of an afternoon storm and it could be severe. 34 the top for Dalby, Gundawindi 37, Toowoomba 31, Warwick 35 for the southeast coast. Chance of afternoon storms, and again they could be severe. Gatton and Ipswich 35 degrees, Brisbane 33. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, consistently warm nights and humid days for the outlook period, but no extremes of heat. There's a decent chance of storms most days, but expect more misses than hits. For Warwick, it's pretty up and down, but as you can see, there's about even chance of getting storms on most days, tops around 33. And for Dalby, we might even be getting to the mid-30s, but probably the highest will be Thursday. That's Australia Day, nice warm 135 degrees. And that's all for tonight, my friends. It's been a pleasure to have your company. I'm happy to be back. As always, thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow once again with more on the latest, and I hope you can join me then. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company. Just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.